All right, so it's about 6 o'clock. Let's go check on the plants. It's been snowing on and off throughout the day, and we had a real good snow earlier in the afternoon. I would say maybe like 1 to 2. It was pretty much like this, and then it stopped and kind of melted off, and we're back at it. And like I said, 6:30 or something around that. So I think this is a little more substantial snow, and this is probably going to be sticking around tonight, and the weather says it's going to kind of keep on coming. So definitely a little concerned, as always, about the plants, but I don't really want to open these up. But there's condensation in there, so on the outside, so that means it's hot enough to melt. And I'm checking like my seams to make sure that there's no obvious avenues for that, the warm air inside is escaping overly easily. That's pretty much okay right there. Go over here. But yeah, typical crazy kind of Colorado spring. Yeah. Ooh, I don't like that. That's not very good. We're gonna move that clip there, and then we'll move this clip here, and we'll move that one there. There we go. So that's sealed up that hole. I'll try and beat the snow off of it. So there we go. This one's good to go. Let's take this off. In actuality, the snow probably, to a point, insulates. Snow is a good insulator. Ask your local friendly igloo about that, or your Eskimo who lives in an igloo about that. But same condensation on the outside of this one. It's killing me not to take a look. I'm going to take a quick look. Everything's looking good. That's enough. And beat the snow off. I don't think we're going to get enough snow where this would like cave in, but you never know. You never know. Better safe than sorry. Hands cold. Let's get the other one. But always something. I was kind of like a little bummed that I was a few weeks behind where I wanted to be. But then again, if I was where I wanted to be, the plants would probably be, I'm not going to say outgrowing these hot huts, but they would be close to bigger than these. So it's actually a good thing that they're a little bit later in this instance. So this is good. The snow's not even really sticking to the top of the hot hut. It's melting off, so that means this is retaining heat really good. I won't mess with it. Lights are on. But yeah, so May 20th, gonna be quite cold tonight. Lots of snow. The snow is predicted to continue on, so that's typical. Love it. I'm hoping it doesn't break my trees like this. This branch right here, he's got a little snow on him. I'll help it out. So hopefully I don't lose a lot of branches and whatnot, but we'll see. So hopefully everybody's season's going really good. It seems that cold spring is kind of uniform for a lot of us. Cold, gloomy, not ideal spring if you're a giant pumpkin grower. But that's it, guys. It's cold. I'm going back inside. Questions, comments, queries, or concerns, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below. Have a good one.